What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add an NFC card to your Apple Wallet. Now in Apple Wallet you can add all your debit and credit cards to use them in the point of sales to make purchase or online even. However, if I tap here on the plus icon in my Apple Wallet at the top right, I can add debit or credit cards, but I cannot add NFC cards. And to do so, there are some third-party apps that you can download from the App Store and try, or alternatively, you can go ahead to the Shortcuts app and add the cards there. So here, I'm gonna search for Shortcuts, which is the app. It comes pre-installed on the iPhone. And then from the tab here at the bottom, tap on Automation in the middle, and then tap on the plus icon at the top right. Scroll down till you see here NFC under Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Tap on NFC, and here you can add an NFC tag. So to add an NFC tag, simply tap on Scan next to NFC tag here, and then your iPhone is ready to scan your NFC card. Just simply put it to the back of the iPhone next to the NFC sensor, and your card information will be read and added here, and you can use your NFC card, which will be added to your iPhone.